Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to install Facebook Meta AI on iPhone. So far, the end of this, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Then confirm your Face ID if you use one. Click on search at the bottom right. And now come to the search and search for Meta AI. Then select the first result or click on the search button. And hang on. Then you should see the Meta AI, your personal AI. Now go ahead and click on it. So this is the Facebook Meta AI standalone application. Now to install the application on your iPhone or iPad, just go ahead and click on Get. Once you hit the Get button, hang on. In some cases, you'll be prompted to double click the side button to install. Or you may be prompted to confirm your Face ID or type your Apple ID password. So go ahead and type in your Apple ID password. After that, go ahead and click on the sign in button. And hang on. Once your Apple ID password is confirmed, then you should say done and the Facebook Meta AI application will start installing straight away. So you just need to hang on a couple of seconds for this application to download and install on your iPhone. Now, once the application is downloaded and installed successfully, you should say open. You can either open the Meta AI application straight from the App Store or go back to the app menu on your iPhone, then locate and click on Meta AI. Then you should see the application opened. Now, set up a device or generate or get started with Meta AI. If you want to set up a device, click on set up a device or get started with Meta AI and there you go. So that's exactly how to download and install Meta AI on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.